Beach is the most popular here in Vung Tau. People from Ho Chi Minh, they came here for vacation, for eating seafoods. Yes, because this place is popular for seafoods. They have a lot of seafoods here.
Yeah, it's a bit hidden. Not many people know about this.
It's a bit hidden though, but it's a bit hidden, and not many people. Oh my gosh, look at these crazy waves. Not many people discover this place yet. Now we are doing this beach tour for you guys to know that there is one beautiful place here in Vung Tau that is close in Ho Chi Minh.
It's like mini Da Nang, huh?
He said this is like a mini Da Nang. The beach inspector said this is the mini Da Nang. Look at that. Oh no. This time not many people swimming yet because the sun is so hot.
The waves are crazy.
And yeah, the waves are crazy. So they are just here beside the beach. They are under the sunbeds. It was so Would you like to see the closer to the ocean, guys? Would you like to see it? Okay, let's go. Check out the sand. Their sand here is brown but soft.
Very fine.
Yeah, very fine. See?
The water looks dark, but it's completely clean. It's
Yeah.
just because of the sand.
The water, yeah.
Perfect.
What did you say again?
The sand looks a bit dark, but the water is crystal clear.
Yes.
Look, no trash, no nothing.
No trash. So this is the back beach, and they have beach on the other side. It's called front beach. Unique, right? They have back beach and they have front beach.
Easy to remember.
Yeah, it's easy to remember. The name of their beach here is easy to remember, but they have only 2 beaches, no?
Yeah, not many.
Yeah, they have only 2 beaches here, not many. And now we are close to the structure which is popular nowadays here in Vung Tau. This is seaweed. Look, they have a lot of seaweed here. Did you know that after that is finished, these structures are popular here in Vung Tau? Yeah.
At nighttime.
At nighttime, there are different kinds of lights, right?
Yeah, balloons.
Yeah.
Lights.
Later, when the sun goes down, when it's not really hot anymore, many people come here. Yeah, they're gonna swim here. Here now it's just a few people. See, did you see that, guys? That's the beautiful beautiful structures that Vung Tau build. Wait, let us
go through the structure. The best view up there.
what? See, people come here to take a picture because it's popular. Did you see that? Look. And this is the view of the beach. Look, if you are here, yeah, I'm gonna show you the beach. This beach is long. This back beach is long. See, long. And over there you can see Jesus, the statue of Jesus. And then here on this side, another beach, but they still have the same name and it's all connected.